Hello guys, I'm Caio and let's do the unboxing of our EAATA90. Here we have the box you receive in your home or workshop. Let's open it. That's the box of our EAATA90. Let's open it. On the right side, we have the main tablet. Inside of this white bag, we have the main tablet, our VCI. Let's open it. Let's put it here. What more we receive in our EAATA90? Here we have all the cables, USB cable, OBD cable, and all the adapters to use with our EAATA90. Here we have user manual, packing list. We have the Ethernet cable, the RJ45, to use with our VCI to do the remote diagnostic. That was the unboxing of our EAATA90.